Hi, this video shows how to install One UI 8.5 officially on Samsung phones using the built-in system update feature. Prepare your phone. Charge your device to at least 50% battery or keep it plugged in. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and interruptions. Step 2. Open Settings. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon, or find Settings in your app drawer. Step 3. Go to Software Update. Scroll down and tap Software Update from the menu. Step 4. Check for updates. Tap Download and install. Your phone will search for the latest available version, including One UI 8.5 if it has been released for your model and region. Step 5. Download the update. If available, tap Download and wait. This may take time depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Install the update. After downloading, tap Install Now. Your phone will restart and complete the installation automatically. After completion, your device will be successfully updated and optimized with the latest features and security improvements. You may also explore new interface changes, improved performance, and enhanced battery optimization after updating. Restart your phone once more if any apps behave unusually after the update process completes for best overall performance. Note: all Samsung phone models may not receive the One UI 8.5 update. Availability depends on your device model, region, and Samsung's official update policy. Some older or budget devices may not be supported.